Okay, I believe it's now 4:28, February 8th, 2013. The blizzard of 2013 is well underway. It's coming down really good. I was outside shoveling, and I thought, what the heck, when I'm out here, might as well shoot a vid. Hasn't been anything like this in 2 years. It's gonna get a whole lot worse. A whole lot worse. Especially tonight into tomorrow morning. Plows have been out since 2 o'clock. I've been hearing nothing but plows and the last 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Ain't this fun? Ain't it fun? Woohoo! So, everybody's going home. I've been home since 12:30. Just chilling. All right. Wind in my face. Wind in my face. It sucks. Wind in my face. Alright, I think it's time to go inside, grab a cold one. Wait, there's a T-bus coming up. I thought they stopped. Oh, maybe it was just the trains that shut down. Interesting. Okay. Time to go inside, open a cold one. Stay safe, everybody.